Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here today. We hope you're doing great and that you're ready to practice your listening with another video. My name is Leo.
My name's Anna. On this channel, we help you practice real English.
Anna, let me start with a fun question today. Do you use flashcards to learn English, or do you think they are boring?
Oh, great question. I used to think flashcards were boring. But later, I found out they can be very helpful when you know how to use them. What about you?
Same here. I didn't like flashcards before. I tried them many years ago, but I stopped quickly. But recently, I started using them again. And guess what? They actually help.
Because many English learners ask, how can I remember new words? And flashcards can be a simple tool.
Yes, they are not for everyone. Some people learn well without flashcards. But for many learners, flashcards are a good way to review vocabulary.
So, Leo, tell us, how do you use flashcards?
I use a popular app called Anki. It uses something called SRS, Spaced Repetition System. This system shows you a word right before you forget it. Not too early, not too late. Just the right time.
Yes. SRS is very popular. It helps your brain remember better.
Exactly. I review my flashcards once a day. I try not to miss a day. Just 5 to 10 minutes.
Do you put only one word on a flashcard?
No, not anymore. I put phrases, not single words. For example, I don't write interesting. I write a sentence like, that book is really interesting.
Oh, that's smarter. Because you learn the word plus context.
Exactly. A phrase helps you speak more naturally.
How do you choose which words to add?
Good question. I add phrases from my speaking practice. If I try to say something, but I don't know how, I write that phrase in my list. Later, I create a flashcard.
So you are not learning random words. You are learning words you actually need.
Yes, very important. It fills the gaps in my vocabulary.
Do flashcards help you with speaking?
Yes, a lot, because I always put English on the front and my target language on the back. So I must speak the phrase, not just read it.
Oh, so you practice speaking every time you review.
Exactly. I say the phrase out loud.
Let's be honest. Some people don't like flashcards.
True. Flashcards are not the most exciting activity. Not fun, not cool, but they help memory.
And some languages don't need flashcards in the beginning because you see the same common words many times.
Yes. For example, I didn't use flashcards when I started Greek. I learned many common words just by listening and reading.
So, when should a learner start using flashcards?
Flashcards help most when you start learning less common but important words, words that don't appear often in videos or texts.
Ah, so flashcards help with rare but useful vocabulary.
Exactly.
When do you usually review them?
Anywhere. When I wait in line, when I sit on the bus, when I have 3 to 5 minutes free.
That's true. Flashcards are small and fast, perfect for small pockets of time.
Flashcards are not magic, but they help many learners remember new words.
And they help you feel confident when you speak because you can finally say the phrases you practiced.
Now it's your turn. Today's question is, do you use flashcards? Why or why not?
Write your answer in the comments. You can write a simple sentence like, I use flashcards because they help me remember. Or, I don't use flashcards. I prefer reading.
We read every comment. Your writing practice helps you improve faster.
Thank you for joining us today.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and we will see you in the next episode of Daily English Listening Stories. Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.